Every journey begins the same way, with a moment where staying still is no longer an option. The boat leaves the harbor not because the sea is calm, but because waiting has run its course. The gulls follow, not knowing where they're going, only knowing that something has begun. And that's how most lives move forward, not with certainty, but with a decision to go on. Out at sea, plans soften. The water doesn't care about yesterday, and it offers no promises about tomorrow. It meets you exactly where you are. We like to believe life should be firm, like land, something we can stand on without adjusting. But life is closer to water. It shifts. It responds. It asks you to move with it. When the nets are prepared, there is no guarantee of reward. You set them anyway, because the work itself matters. This is true everywhere, not just at sea. In relationships, in recovery, in starting again when no one is watching. Some days you pull up more than you expected. Other days, almost nothing at all. But the quiet strength comes from the act of returning, of setting the nets once more. The sea teaches this without words. That effort is not wasted because it goes unseen. That patience is not weakness. That showing up is already a kind of victory. The boat moves on, guided not by certainty, but by trust in the next small movement. And over time, something changes. You stop measuring your life only by what it produces. You begin to notice what it builds in you. Steadiness, resilience, the ability to keep going without losing yourself. The horizon remains open, the journey continues. And somewhere between the tide and the silence, you realize you are not behind. You are not broken. You are not late. You are moving. And sometimes, that is more than enough.